The space debris problem, pollution problem is my problem, is your problem, is everyone's problem.
Just a few hundred miles above us, there are thousands of pieces of debris.
The best case scenario for a CubeSat to decay, 3 years. In the worst case scenario, it might take up to 122 years.
We have to come up with a solution, and we have to come up with ways to be able to deal with this menace.
Something that's this much of a game changer can't just be all theory, it needs to be action.
And this can only be achieved with coordinated space traffic management.
How could we crowdsource information across the globe to really keep space safer, more secure, more sustainable?
Development of strategic education.
Awareness, tools, technologies, and ecosystem.
Put the onus on different countries to practice space and their space activities in a sustainable, safe, and responsible way.
The only way we can get the conversation going is to get everyone on board.
You know, we already have the tools at our fingertips.
It's not about what you got, but it's what you do with what you have.
Let's make this happen.